Gen 2 Ford Raptor today with lots of goodies and a few surprises. Let's go. This diamond belongs to Mr. Heath Honeycutt, a great guy, a friend of mine now. He owns the 9th Inning Baseball Academy in the Atlanta area, and he was a legit ball player back in the day as well. Heath is just a genuinely good person, and he has a great program going on. And this was actually a lot Ford Raptor, and he came in one day and saw this sitting in the showroom, and he was like, that's the one. He wasn't coming to buy this one that day, but he walked in and saw it, and you know, his past with the Kansas City Royals as well as his 9th Inning Royals baseball with the same colors. He said, man, that is it. And if you can remember, this one actually had blue wheels on it in Velocity Blue, but he thought it was a little bit much, so we swapped him out for no extra charge to the Black Fuel Rebel. But you can tell up front, Velocity Blue was our color choice for our accent throughout, and it just looks so amazing. That Velocity Blue is a really nice metallic color, and you know, the front grille was not black, the front bumper was not black, the headlights did not have blue in them. There was gray throughout this entire front portion as well as the grille, and so we painted that agate black to match, and then added the Velocity Blue on the front grille, and then in the headlight there on your side marker and around your high beam and low beam. That looks so detailed and sinister all at the same time, and did a gate black there as well, and black on your skid plate with a Velocity Blue on your tow hooks up front. And I'm gonna get back to what you saw earlier here in a minute, but coming around to our wheel and tire combo, we did a Icon level kit up front only, and they did 325, 60, 20 Nitto Trail Grapper tires on 20x10 Fuel Rebel wheels. I mean, Fuel Rebel, you knew it had to be, y'all. This 325, 60, 20 is right at a 36-inch tall tire by 13 wide, so it is a great balance of width and height while not being too heavy or messing with the overall performance feel of the Raptor, because I want this to stay a 5-tool player, just like the 9th grade Academy boys are. You know what I mean, y'all? So love that wheel and tire combo, big, bold, substantial, and wide and tough. And we did the rigid triple fog kit in that opening gap there on both sides. That's a great addition. And then coming on back, your side heat extractors, did that body color with Velocity Blue, just a nice little detail right there. Your side fenders all the way around, and your rear cladding to black was that gray color. Same thing out back here, did that rear bumper black with the Velocity Blue tow hook. There it is again, removed that all that texture on the rear applique, and did Velocity Blue. Such a detailed, beautiful Raptor in my opinion. Love the third brake light, and then the KC roof rack light combo with the 30-inch light bar out back as well with multifunction, and then the KC lights on the side as well for great overall light output if you're loading up to go to the ball field for a weekend or going camping, whatever your needs may be. It also came back to us to do this front light bar, and we did the matching reflective KC lights in blue to match. Looking amazing, y'all. So a good side shot here for you. With that rack added to it, it has just a whole different vibe to it. It looks so much more rugged, but still has that Raptor luxury premium feel. So this has a great balance in my personal opinion. And then also up front, take notice what's hiding back behind here. We've got a intercooler that we painted black because we didn't want it to be, you know, stand out and be too evident. So, you know, that silver intercooler would just be, it wouldn't flow with the overall theme of this build. So I definitely painted that black. And then I hooked him up with the Swarfworks hidden winch mount, and he took care of the rest, of course, with the above that ultra hook, and we got a nice worn winch behind there with rigid lights. That is a money setup to me in having a winch in the factory bumper. That's so clean. But in order to do that, you got to have the Swarfworks winch mount as well as the intercooler upgrade to add for clearance and room for that application to fit in there. Great satisfied customer. Came back to us for additional work is priceless to me, because keep trusting in us for delivering consistent customer service and great experience all the time. That's what we're about. We're not perfect by no means, but we just try our best to be consistent. And delivering beautiful Raptors like this one here is a part of that consistency. Much like in baseball, you gotta be consistent. Let me know in the comments what you think about this one. I think it is a beautiful setup. It was kind of that thin blue line tribute initially, but then you know, once he bought it, it quickly turned into, I don't know what he calls it, but it's like the ninth inning truck, man. You know, it's the ninth inning edition. That's what I'm gonna call it right there. But love the blue accents, very subtle, and that Velocity blue is just a perfect color to accent and go along with it, y'all. Thanks for watching this one today. Hit that subscribe button. It means everything to me, because any opportunity I get on the daily to bring you guys great content like this, that's what I'm about. So if you have any more questions about this build in particular, let me know in the comments or shoot me a message on social media at TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. I'm here for you guys. That's what I'm here for, is just to help you with your build, and hopefully we can connect and do business together as well. Thanks so much, Heath. I really appreciate you, sir. Heath even gave my son, for no reason, a Wilson A2000 catcher's mitt. That's how good of a guy he is, y'all. So kindness goes a long way in this world, and it is still thriving, y'all. Again, thanks so much. As always, stay safe and peace out.